Well, I came over to this shoal and it's just absolutely too swift. I just picked a pawpaw out of the water. And it's ripe. That thing smells good. That's a Virginia pawpaw right there. See how it tastes. I'm going to go down where this dumps in. That should be a pretty good little deep hole right down there. Oh man, tastes good. Well, I lost my little Helgramite and I've got a bigger one, so I'm going to see if I can catch one on it. It'll take it just a little while to soak up the water, and but maybe I can. Oh, okay, well, shoot, there's one. I believe that's another bluegill. It is. Pretty good size one. He got away, but I caught him. Well, I didn't get him in, but I caught him. I've got the barb plumb. I don't want to hurt these fish, so I got the barb kind of down. I got the barb down to where they can get off, so that's okay. There's another one down in there. There's one. See if I can keep him on here. He's a nice little bluegill right there. Well, I'm catching bluegill today, so. Pretty little bluegill.